There has been never a better time to work from home and earn money online. Therefore, in this video, I will show you 10 various things you can do from home regardless of your prior experience. While some of these professions pay between $500 and $700 per hour, others do not. If you don't actually want to trade your time for money and you want to start your own online business, anyhow, the first website and the first work from home job that we are going to talk about is already respondent.io. Respondent.io is a research website where companies like Microsoft, IBM, GoDaddy, Dropbox account to participate. And you can click on participants over here. You can see that depending on what you are going to be doing on the website. Of course, finding these jobs and getting accepted from this is a quite difficult and extremely seldom that someone. Now a slightly simpler method to earn money online and have your own workspace job is to use your website number 2, which is to go to SEMrush and is already semrush.com. This is a platform that aids people in ranking higher on Google, so it's an SEO tool that businesses and websites use to rank higher on Google. And if you use semrush.com, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website. You will be able to partner up with them. So you, in this instance, you work from home job could simply involve signing up as an affiliate with SEMrush, grabbing your affiliate link, finding people on Google who might want to improve their rankings, contacting these people, businesses and websites, and offering them SEMrush as an affiliate in exchange for $200 per person. You can refer to the website even if it takes you to an hour to do so. Website number 3 is going to be the textbroker.com, which is the place for you to write content, write articles and write stories and get paid for it. To do this, go to textbroker.com. It is obviously a lot easier than all the other websites we have previously discussed, but it doesn't pay that much. If you click on I write content, you can see that you can make by writing material for a text broker. If you go to down the payment area, you can see that you can pay it up to 5.5 cents per word, which if you do arithmetic, if your content is of high quality, it is a decent wage. Fourth work from home job is going to be a little bit more difficult, but it has a lot of promise. You can sell your own digital product or your own digital course at onlinebusinessacademy.com. They will help you to write professional material and obtain the best rating possible. And how can you apply? But in short order, you can just go to onlinebusinessacademy.com and click on become a creator. From there you can schedule a call, and after that you can discuss why you believe you make a good creator so that you can hired by onlinebusinessacademy.com. Our website number 5 and work from home job number 5 is going to be TaskRabbit. I have personally used TaskRabbit for a variety of. TaskRabbit is a place where regular people like me can list a lot of services and then other regular people can hire you. For example, to assemble a table for them, build a microphone, set up the desk or building anything. The following work from home job is going to pay at least, but it is easiest way. Visit univoxcommunity.com where you can complete various surveys offers and click on advertisements. You can get it regardless of your knowledge or prior experience, and you don't need actually have to leave your house like you would with some other job. The next work from home job we are going to discuss is a listworth. You can go to listworth.com, which is a website where you can find everything from odd articles and top 10 type of articles and blog posts. You can click through the more section over here and you can get paid to write different articles for them. Then they actually pay $100 per article. An article can actually be as long as 2000 words. You can simply visit listviewers.com to get paid and then click on submission form to submit your article such as top 10 list article. The following work from home job is respectable, but it won't pay you as much as earlier websites. However, it will pay you more than Unibox, and that's because usercrowd.com is a platform that will pay you for your honest opinion. This is exactly what they are looking for. So they essentially want regular people like you and give you the basic opinions on their website. If you are accepted, the next website you may utilize to locate different employment is going to microworkers.com. If you are accepted, you can get different jobs every single week. Microworkers is a platform where you can find it from micro jobs, which are the tasks that literally take less than a minute of your time. For instance, you can get paid for like someone's Facebook page, share someone's YouTube video, or like someone's YouTube video, share on Google, and do a variety of other tasks. These are the example of micro jobs. Despite the fact they don't pay much, say 20 cents, 30 cents each job, they don't take up a lot of time, so you can finish as many of them in a single hour as you can actually make a respectable sum of money. And the last website in the last work at home job where we are going to discuss is searching on Google using a website called spermclicks.com. Sperm clicks will pay regular people like me, and you will go to for different websites and click on them. So basically, if you think about some business or some website they are trying to hire, or Google need more people searching for a certain keyword, they need more people to find their website. All you have essentially to do is go to surblex.com because that is what they do. They pay Surbex clicks to pay people like me to search for and click on their websites. I sincerely hope this video was helpful to you. If it did, please click the like button and I will see you again soon.